Ever look at your game and think this needs a soul? A watercolor style can give it that instantly. I'm genuinely excited about this one. It runs as a full-screen effect in Unity URP and simulates pigment flow, paper texture, and soft ink diffusion. Because it reacts to motion and luminance, strokes blend like real watercolor instead of a flat filter. That's a living painterly look on top of your regular game. Setup is a clean drop-in. Apply it full screen or use it selectively with the VolFX system. It even shifts hue based on depth, so your backgrounds feel layered and dreamy without manual touch-ups. That's the kind of polish that makes a game look handcrafted. It's early days with just one rating, so you're jumping in fresh. Nulltails effects have a fun reputation, and the demo alone sells the magic. You'll need to be on Unity's universal render pipeline. If your project isn't URP yet, either switch or save this for your next game. Grab it for $7.50 right now. At that price, every stylized scene becomes a tiny cost per unit win. Link is right below. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. If you've ever rebuilt jump physics from scratch, you know the pain. This bundle hands you a professional platformer foundation plus gorgeous handcrafted backgrounds. Huge time saver. The Corgi engine is modular and battle-tested with tight raycast-based movement and clean, heavily commented code. You can build on it quickly and learn from it at the same time, which is rare. It's the kind of foundation that makes shipping a platformer actually feel realistic. Inside this bundle, you also get 8 full background art packs, from deserts to alien worlds. 8 demo scenes show the engine paired with that art, so you can see your future game take shape in minutes. 117 reviews put it at 4.95 out of 5. People call it the gold standard for 2D platformers, and the support is lightning fast. The biggest hurdle is the sheer amount of features. There aren't many step-by-step beginner tutorials, so you'll lean on the docs and community when you start. At $100, this skips hundreds of hours of core gameplay work. That's time-saved ROI you can feel on the very first test run. Grab it from the link. Hand-tiling an entire RPG map is pure torture. This editor turns that chore into a creative sandbox, and I love tools that make world-building fun again. You get to focus on where your roads, towns, and natural landmarks go, while the editor handles the repetitive placement. That means a full overworld without the usual grunt work slowing you down. Your maps end up cleaner and faster than doing it tile by tile. It's flexible enough to work with your own art style, so you're not locked into a generic look. Drop it into your pipeline and keep the visual identity you've already built. That's a huge plus for serious projects. 109 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. Map builders clearly appreciate how much time this claws back from the grind. It's an editor, not a full game kit, so combat and cutscenes are still on you, but the map layer will be done in record time. For $22.50, freelancers charge 10 times that for a single custom map setup. That's comparison math that makes sense. Link below. Multiplayer survival games are a giant project. If you've ever tried to build networking from zero, you know the rabbit hole. This kit gives you a massive head start. It's a multiplayer survival kit built on mirror networking, so the server authority and sync layers are already handled. You can focus on your unique crafting and world rules instead of packet headaches. That's the difference between a prototype and a real vertical slice. You get a full project template you can repack and reshape, change the theme, adjust the survival loop, and you'll be playtesting with friends in an afternoon. That's weekend project fuel. The foundation is there so you can skip the boring part. 107 reviews sit at a solid 4 out of 5. For multiplayer code, that's a strong community vote and a good sign for support. Don't expect a polished MMO out of the box. Balance and deeper systems are up to you, but the baseline is definitely solid. At $40, it costs less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Honestly, that's tiny next to the networking headaches you're skipping. Check the link below. Racing games look simple until you try to code a car that feels good. This kit gives you a complete arcade racing foundation, so you can skip the physics pain and get to the fun. A racing game starter kit means the core loop is already there. Drive, race, finish. You can spend your time making tracks and tuning the feel instead of wiring up vehicle physics from scratch. That's a huge head start for a genre with so many small details. The clean structure lets you see how everything fits together, which makes customization less scary. Want a different handling model or new race modes? You can extend it without fighting the code. That's the kind of flexibility that keeps a starter kit useful long term. A perfect 5-star average from 105 reviews says a lot. Racing devs keep recommending it for both prototyping and full projects. It's arcade fun, not a hardcore simulator. If you need realistic tire physics, you'll have to add that yourself, but most players love the accessible feel. At $24, if one client project uses this, you've paid it off 100 times over. That's business ROI you can bank on. Grab it from the link. Nothing kills momentum like a frame rate drop. Performance work feels like detective duty, but this toolkit puts the most useful fixes in one handy place. Great quick win. Performance Tools is exactly what it says. A collection of practical systems that target common Unity bottlenecks. You get the kinds of helpers that reduce hitches and improve frame times without turning your project upside down. It's the kind of toolkit you wish you had from day one. The tools are designed to drop into an existing project without a giant rewrite. A little configuration here, a measure there, and you can ship a cleaner result. That's easy setup energy, perfect for the final stretch before launch. 66 reviews and a perfect 5-star rating. The consensus is clear. It saved people from rebuilds and late-night optimization spirals. No tool is magic. You still need to profile to know which bottleneck matters, but this gives you the weapons to fix it fast. For $37.48, treat yourself to fewer headaches and more FPS today. You deserve a shortcut this good. Link below. Turning a handmade mesh into a Unity terrain used to mean rebuilding it by hand. This tool does the conversion for you, and level designers are going to love it. It lets you take meshes and turn them into Unity terrains, complete with height and color data. This is perfect for bringing sculpted landscapes from other tools straight into your game. You keep all the detail you carefully shaped, instead of squinting at gray height maps. Setup takes minutes. Select your mesh, choose your terrain settings, and the converter does the heavy lifting. That compresses hours of manual work into a single click. Time saved is time you can spend on actual gameplay. 67 reviews and a perfect 5-star score. The utility is small, but the reviews show it has rescued environment artists from serious busy work. It works best on clear, closed meshes, so messy models may need a quick cleanup first. A few minutes of prep beats a full day of hand sculpting. At $19.50, you skip 40 hours of terrain modeling for pocket change. That's time-saved ROI at its finest. Link right there. User chat and custom usernames are wonderful, but they attract trouble. Moderation by hand is impossible. This filter keeps your community spaces friendly automatically. It scans text and catches the bad words you don't want in your game, so you can stay focused on building rather than babysitting chat. It's the kind of background tool that quietly protects your players. No one notices it until it saves them from something nasty. Integration is built to be straightforward. Add a component, connect your chat inputs, and let it work. That's a clean drop-in that saves you from creating a moderation system from scratch. Your support queue will thank you. 66 reviews and a full 5 stars. Creators consistently say it's reliable and fast, which is exactly what you want from a live text filter. No filter is perfect, so you'll still want player reporting for edge cases. But this catches the overwhelming majority of junk automatically. For $14.50, it's less than a fancy coffee and a pastry. Absurdly cheap for the peace of mind it brings. Grab it below. Building a first-person narrative game means wiring dialogue, interactions, and puzzles together. That's a mountain of glue code. This engine provides the backbone so your story can shine. It comes with a complete puzzle engine, which means you can create challenges and logic gates without writing custom scripts from scratch. Your narrative moments become actual gameplay instead of walking simulators. That's the key to making players feel smart and engaged. The first-person adventure framework also handles the core interaction flow. Character movement, prompt management, and scene transitions are already designed, so you can focus on writing and art direction. It's like having an adventure game checklist already crossed off. 61 reviews and a perfect 5-star rating. Narrative devs are clearly having a great time with this one, and they keep recommending it to friends. It's aimed at classic adventure logic, so you'll want to extend it for wild physics puzzles. But traditional narrative games will feel right at home. At $19.60, if one client project uses this, it pays for itself 100 times over. That's business ROI you can feel. Link below. Strategy games, data dashboards, and travel apps all need a world map that feels alive. Building one from scratch is brutal. This Globe edition makes it gorgeous and interactive. You can drop markers, draw paths, and color territories on a navigable 3D globe. Pan, zoom, and rotate smoothly, which immediately makes your project look polished and expensive. It's the kind of map that makes players want to explore before they even start playing. Flexibility is huge. You can work in 2D map view or 3D globe mode and style things to match your game. That means one asset can serve multiple gameplay screens and still feel consistent. It's like a Swiss Army knife for world representation. 55 reviews and a 4.96 average keeps this near perfect. Developers love the clean API and the visual punch it gives strategy interfaces. It's a map component, not a full strategy game framework. You'll build your gameplay layers on top, but the map itself will look like a finished product. For $45, treat yourself. This world map will carry your whole interface and make players feel the scale. Grab it from the link below. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.